Hey, it's Ryan Gillard here with Real Broker, your Calgary real estate agent, and today we're actually outside of the city limits, about half an hour east of Calgary in the town of Strathmore, and I'll take you through my new listing at 328 Centre Street, and I'll show you what you can buy for just over $450,000. Now this is a totally renovated 1,200 square foot bi-level with a quad garage. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'll just take you through my new listing here at 328 Centre Street. So you can see from here, all new roof, new siding. This is a bi-level, so you go up or down as you come in. You can see it's been totally renovated in 2020. A nice open style concept. Some built-in features over here. These windows on the front are triple pane, brand new in 2020. The windows everywhere else are double pane, but the front are triple pane windows. This fridge is massive, so a very nice fridge. Nice quartz counters, a nice island. Here. Now this video doesn't really do it justice, but if you check out this pantry, it's enormous as we go in here right here. Yeah, so here's the pantry. Going into the master, pretty standard here, but the master does include a very large walk-in closet as well, which we're gonna come into right here. Good size. And again, this bathroom is, like everything else in the home, renovated in 2020. And there's a half bath down here by the laundry room. These floors at the entrance and the back are also heated. So heated floors. That's a little closet area right there. Now this bathroom that you can see, it actually is a 4-piece bath. The toilet's behind the door here. You can't really get a good look at it. Little office area to the right. This door that's closed is actually the furnace room. So all new, a brand new furnace, brand new central air conditioning, new hot water tank. Pretty much everything is from 2020. The home was taken down to the studs back then, and everything is just a couple of years old. Nice little TV area. So going outside, obviously you can see it has a massive deck. That's a quad garage. So we'll touch on that here in a bit. This island is actually movable, and you can see the greenhouse down to your left. New doors as well. Nice little patio area. And there's actually a shed on the side of the home here, which matches the home, obviously. And this double garage, it's 30 by 40, the size of it, with 10-foot ceilings and 2 overhead 16 by 8 doors, and it's heated, drywalled, and painted. Good separation from the home next door. And this over here is additional RV parking right here. And you just can see the size of the garage, it's quite large.